Hello Summer YouTube, this is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this TPOB mini score blackout foil shaver. It's a single foil shaver. It's also a slime, black slime. So, from what I read, charging time got 90 minutes, operating time more than 60 minutes, and also got 5 watts. And you can buy this mini foil shaver from Amazon US and from the website of TPOB, thepieceofbarber.com. And if you want to have it more cheaper, you can use my discount code EDO15. So I'm gonna leave a link on the description below where you can buy it. So now let's open this mini score foil shaver. This is it. So it comes with charging cable, a USB Type-C one, little brush, and the manual. So this is it. It's a single foil shaver. So now and the RPM. So I hope I can open it. Okay, yeah. Looks like this. And the RPM. So I got a set of it, all blackout. As you can see, it's all good.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
That's it for the unboxing video, and see you next time.